Why make protein bars when you can just buy them? Well, you know exactly what's in the homemade version, they are cheaper, and they are super easy to make. My protein bars are only 80 calories each, and they have just 3 ingredients, and everything else you put in them is up to you. First thing you need is fat-free cream cheese. Soften it up by whisking. To the cream cheese, add protein powder. You can use any flavor. Vanilla, as usual, works well. I separated the mixture into 2 equal parts so I can make a chocolate and a vanilla bar. To one bowl, add coconut flour, and for the other, substitute part of the coconut flour with cocoa powder. Start mixing and kneading the protein bar dough into balls. To the vanilla kind, I added sprinkles and mixed it in well. When the two flavors are ready, you can either press them in a mold or some dish or form them by hand in a rectangular shape. Leave the dough in the fridge for a few hours for the coconut flour to absorb as much moisture as it can. After that, take the dough out of the mold and cut it into individual bars. To finish the bars, I'm using melted sugar-free white and dark chocolate. Using a brush or the back of a spoon, spread a thin layer of chocolate over the top of each bar and add sprinkles while the chocolate is still melted. For the chocolate bars, you can add roasted peanuts to complement the flavors. If you like the recipe, why not subscribe so you don't miss future uploads? Thanks for watching.